Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 35. If y is equals to 2x plus 2 in bracket raised power of 3, find the y dx. Now we're given that y is equals to 2x plus 2 in the bracket raised power of 3. In bracket raised power of 3. Now let u equals to 2x plus 3. Let u equals 2x plus 3. So now we can now say that what y is equals to u raised to the power of 3. So the y du is equals to 3 u raised to the power of 2. Remember, when you have the y dx, that's equals to x raised to the power of n minus 1. N x n minus 1. So we have 3u, then 3 minus 1 give us what? 2. Now du dx is equals to, we have 2x plus 3, so that will give us what? 2, because x is raised to the power of 1 here, so 1 minus 1 will give us 0, and x raised to the power of 0 is 1, so 1 times 2 will give us 2, so du dx is equals to 2. Now the y dx is equals to the y du multiplied by du dx, and this is equals to 3u square multiplied by 2, and that is equals to 6u square. Now since u is equals to 2x plus 2, since u is equals to 2x plus 2, that means the y dx is equals to 6 into 2x plus 2 raised to the power of 2, and that is option B. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.